Okay, let me ask you something. You watch English videos every day, right? You understand them. You laugh at the jokes. You follow the story. Then, someone says, "Hey, say something in English." And your brain? Completely empty. Why does that happen? Today, we're going to talk about exactly that.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to EasyLingo English. I'm Paul.
And I'm Anna. And today's topic, honestly, it's one of my favorites.
So many people message us and say, "Paul, Anna, I understand everything, but I can't speak." And we get it. That feeling is so real.
It's actually one of the most common problems for English learners. You're not alone, seriously. And here's the interesting part. It's not because your English is bad.
Right. There's actually a very specific reason this happens. And today, we're going to talk about that reason and a really simple method that helps fix it. It's called shadowing. But first, let's understand the real problem. The real problem, translating in your head.
Okay, so imagine this situation. You're at a coffee shop. Someone speaks to you in English. They say something simple, like, "How are you?" And inside your brain, a whole process starts.
Yeah. Your brain goes, okay, they said, "How are you?" What does that mean in my language? Okay, I got it. Now, what do I want to say? How do I say that in English? Is the grammar correct? Wait, is that word right? And by the time you figure it all out, the moment is gone.
This is called translating in your head. And almost every beginner does it. It's totally normal.
But here's the strange part. It's also the thing that keeps you stuck.
Think about it like this. Imagine you're trying to drive a car, but every time you want to turn the wheel, you first have to read the instructions. It's exhausting, right? It's too slow. That's exactly what happens when you translate in your head.
Fluent speakers don't translate. They just speak. The words come automatically, like breathing. And the question is, how do you get to that point?
And honestly, the answer is simpler than most people think. But first, let me tell you a quick story. Story: the baby learning to walk.
Think about a baby learning to walk. Does the baby read a book first? Does the baby study the rules of walking? No. The baby just tries. Falls down, tries again. Falls again, tries again. And one day, the baby just walks.
Language is exactly the same. You didn't learn your first language from a textbook, right? You heard it. You repeated it. You used it. Again and again and again. And slowly, it became automatic.
So, the problem isn't that you can't speak English. The problem is that your brain hasn't practiced enough to make speaking automatic yet. And that's where shadowing comes in. What is shadowing? Simple explanation.
Okay, so what is shadowing? It sounds like a complicated word, but the idea is very, very simple.
Shadowing means you listen to someone speak English and you repeat it at the same time. Like a shadow. You follow the voice. You copy the sound. You copy the rhythm. You copy the feeling.
Not after the voice stops, at the same time. And this is really important, because when you do this, your brain stops translating. There's no time to translate. You just focus on the sound and repeat it.
It's like learning a song by singing along to it. You don't think about every word. You just follow the music.
And it trains your mouth, your brain, and your ears all at the same time. That's why it works so well. How to practice. Step by step.
Okay, so how do you actually do this? Let's make it super simple. Step 1. Find a short English video or podcast. Something slow, something easy. Even this video works.
Step 2. Press play and start repeating out loud what you hear. Don't wait. Don't think about it. Just copy the voice.
Step 3. Copy the emotion, too. If the voice sounds happy, sound happy. If the voice sounds surprised, sound surprised. This helps your English sound natural, not robotic.
And here's the most important rule. Don't worry about perfect pronunciation. Just speak. Just try. That's it.
Honestly, even 5 minutes a day makes a real difference. You don't need 2 hours, just 5 minutes every single day. Practice dialogue. Shadowing moment.
Okay, let's try it right now. I'm going to say some sentences slowly. You repeat after me. Out loud. Don't be shy. Nobody is watching. Ready? I want to speak English. I practice every day. I am getting better. I am not afraid anymore.
Did you say it out loud? If yes, amazing. You just did shadowing. That's it. That's the whole thing. Simple, right?
And here's what I want you to notice. Did you translate that into your language first? Probably not. You just said it. That's the feeling we're building. That automatic feeling. Valuable lesson.
So let's talk about the real lesson today. Understanding English and speaking English. They are different skills. Your ears and your brain learned English from videos. That's why you understand. But your mouth needs its own practice.
Think of it like this. Watching people play basketball doesn't mean you can play basketball. You have to actually pick up the ball. You have to actually try.
And the same with speaking English. You have to open your mouth. You have to make sounds. You have to feel uncomfortable a little bit and keep going anyway.
Shadowing helps with this because it gives your mouth something to do. It removes the scary part, the part where you have to think of what to say. You just follow the voice. And slowly, your brain starts to get it.
And one day, maybe in a week, maybe in a month, someone will say something in English. And this time, the words will come. Comment. Challenge.
Okay, we have a challenge for you today. Go to the comments. Write this sentence in English. I want to speak English. I'm practicing every day. That's it. Just type it. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be real.
And if you want to add your name and your country, even better. We read every comment, and we're proud of every single person who tries.
Here's the last thing I want to say. The reason you can't speak English yet is not because you're bad at it. It's because your mouth hasn't had enough chances to practice. That's all.
And that changes today. 5 minutes of shadowing. Every day. That's your homework. You can use this video or any EasyLingo video. Just press play and follow the voice.
You understand English already. Now it's time to let your voice catch up.
If this video helped you, share it with one friend who feels the same way. And subscribe if you haven't yet. We post new videos every week, just like this one.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye.